Hi, Ron Benning, real estate investment expert. I'm back with another 2-minute tip. In today's video, we're going to talk about gross rent multipliers or GRMs. I will explain what a GRM is and why I think this is the best starting place for most investors. A GRM is a fairly simple analysis of a property at its most basic level. What we do is we take the sales price and divide it by the annual gross income. To make the numbers simple, if we had a property that was $500,000 and it had annual income of $50,000, we would divide the 500,000 by the 50,000 and we would have a GRM of 10.0. Here's the key concept. The lower the GRM, the better the cash flow will be. So always keep in mind, low GRM equals good cash flow potential. Some skeptics will say, does a gross rent multiplier really give you a good indication of whether the property can be profitable? To them, I would say, I've never seen a property that had a bad gross rent multiplier that was a profitable investment. The bigger problem is most investors spend too much time analyzing the wrong properties and miss out on the best properties by taking too long to take action. If you want a detailed explanation of why you don't need anything other than a GRM to pick the best properties, watch my video, How to Analyze Any Investment Property in 30 Seconds. Keep in mind the gross rent multiplier was never intended to be the last step in your analysis. It's the first step to narrow down your choices quickly and to shortlist them. Once you've done that, call us or text us and we will do our proprietary rental opportunity report. See a link in the description to see a video on what that report covers. If you're working with us, we will provide the GRM reports for you to save you the time and to help you identify the right investment properties faster. We look forward to helping you buy your next investment property. And if you have any questions about how to use these reports, please reach out to myself or the local real estate investment specialist on my team who sent you this video.